Maize flour and the beans. No, it is in total beans. All right, I just want to give you a summary of what we are flagging off today.
Okay.
For Karamoja sub-region, we are going to send 2,579 metric tons of both maize flour and beans. That is 266 trucks that are going to the Karamoja sub-region alone. But for the rest of the country, we are also planning. We want to thank WFP for providing us logistics vehicles to take food relief to Karamoja sub-region. And so the Office of the Prime Minister is going now to continue with our normal logistics to take relief and non-food items to the rest of the country, especially the areas of Elgon, the Rwenzori region, and also other districts that have been affected by the flood. I want to thank you. Karamoja, eri 12 metric tons 12 bitano asanvu mwenda ezakawunga n'ebijanjalo. Kyeba kyetagisa bwe ziba loore nga zino nnene. Buli loore tulina kusindika loore 2 nkaaga mu nkaaga zezigenda okugenda e Karamoja wokka. Naye era njagala kwebaza WFP bagenze mu maaso kwa Office of the Prime Minister emmotoka egenda okutwala emmere e Karamoja. Ne Minister of the Department ya disaster egenda mu maaso okutwala kati emmere ey'endala esigadde kwezi sente zetwakafuna mu districts endala awali ennyo districts zetwakalaba zafuna obundabunda Elgon awamu ne Rwenzori gye twafiiramu abantu tulina okubatwalira emmere ne non-food items.
Mode of distribution.
Tutatwala emmere mu district. So district egenda kutuula buli district disaster management committee erina okutuula okusooka emmere bwetuuka n'emmere bweva ne Kampala egenda paka mu sub county eri affected. So kiba kitegeeza meeting ejja kubeerawo then bategeere emmere bagenda kuwa bagenda okuwa. On the district disaster management committees to sit as the food is setting off today, and then secondly the food is going to go directly to the sub counties. This truck, if it's going like to one of the sub counties in it will leave Kampala and it will go to the point where we have been designated, and the food will be received at the sub county level. Even our returning our paperwork has to be signed by the sub county chief and the cow of that district.
You have the statistics.
We're talking about 518,000 people in the region. 518,000 people. But for sure I come from Karamoja and we know that the food, the crisis has been a very big issue. So we shall say we should be able to give those ones, and whatever remains we also give the rest. For us, we live a communal life. We're very certain that the district management will be able to give food to extend to other households also. This is just a drop of 135 billion shillings. So we want to first take what we have received as we wait. We all know that the economy has not been good in our treasury.